Designing an effective presentation. Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to present an idea that I believe has the potential to solve a significant problem in our industry/community. Designing an effective presentation is crucial for engaging your audience and delivering your message effectively. When it comes to the design of your presentation, there are a few key elements to consider. 1. Topics. Make sure that your topics are well organized and easy to follow. Use headings and subheadings to break up your content and help your audience understand the main points you're trying to make. 2. Colors. Use colors wisely in your presentation to highlight important information and create visual interest. Choose colors that are easy on the eyes and that complement each other. Avoid using too many different colors, as this can be distracting. 3. Images. Use images and other visuals to illustrate your points and make your presentation more engaging. Choose high-quality images that are relevant to your content and add value to your message. 4. Text. Use text sparingly and make sure it is easy to read. Use font sizes and styles that are appropriate for your audience and the content of your presentation. 5. Sound. Sound can be a powerful tool for adding interest and depth to your presentation. Use music or sound effects to set the mood and add emphasis to key points. By considering these design elements, you can create a presentation that is visually appealing and easy to follow. Your audience will be more engaged and better able to understand and remember your message. Thank you for your time and consideration.